Now today we will testing the 50 by 50 and the inside is the 15 by 15. Yeah, this is the testing machine. This one is the uncoiler. Our engineer already put the coil in the uncoiler. This is single side design. Can bear 5 tons one size. The coil can be 5 tons. Okay? This is the logo device. Customer can put their logo here. Yeah. The logo is the 1 meter, one logo.
Well, can we make 2 meter one logo or 3 meter one logo?
Yes, we made the logo still bigger and wider. Then can be the logo 2 meter one logo or the 3 meter one logo. Okay, this is the main model. This is the Siemens model, and it is the 11 kilowatt. This motor in the forming section, one main motor with the one main reduction gearbox and with the one inverter. When the current is overloaded, then the inverter will be automatically protected to stop the motor, to protect the motor. Okay, here is the forming section. This one is the horizontal stem. This arrangement is the 3 arrangement. That means horizontal stem. Here is the continue 1, 2, 3 continue arrangement. And here also the horizontal stem with one vertical stem, horizontal stem with one vertical stem. Here we can say 3 arrangement in the forming section. Okay, now in the forming section is the 9 pieces horizontal, 1 piece is horizontal in the welding section, 4 pieces horizontal stem in the sizing section.
So, Nicole, you say this arrangement is 3, 3, 1, 3, 3. So can we make the arrangement to 4414 or 4415?
Yes, we can make the arrangement to the 4-4 arrangement because for the normal square pie, normal round pie, 4-4 arrangement will be better because add the one more horizontal here and one more the vertical stand here. It is the slowly forming. So the coil with the low set, the pressure will be less. So the marking also will be less. But this tube mill is the slotted tube mill. We already add the 3 pieces horizontal stand here, so no need the 4-4 here.
Wow, Metal, this machine looks more precision than this machine.
Yes, that is the normal tube mill. This is stronger 3G Fit 40. You can see, firstly, you can see the finish of the stand. We made the finish of horizontal stand is more thinner. We changed from the 55 mm to the 62 mm. So the horizontal stand, the finish and the wire windings and the height will be more bigger and wider. Also, we also made the vertical stem more wider. And the second is we made the machine base. Machine base is more wider and longer. And you can see here, the thickness of the panel is the 29 millimeter. It's very strong. And the most important thing is this horizontal stand is with the mantle design. And inside is the needle bearing. The advantage of the needle bearing inside, two advantages. One is the machine will be more precision and strong. Second is it is easy to take out the horizontal stand. So it is very easy and fast to change the load set.
Yeah. How long it will take if we want to change the whole load set?
Yeah. For this machine is with the needle bearing, so it will take only 1 to 2 hours to change the whole set load set. If for the normal machine, the ball bearing will be take 3 to 4 hours to change the whole load set. Yeah, you can see the 1B. Here is the 1B, 2B, 3B, 4B, 5B, 6B, and the 7TB. Yeah, those position is very important. Okay, Kevin, is there any way to avoid the marking?
Avoid the marking?
Yes.
Yeah, of course. We can make the oil to the load set and cooling the load set, yeah.
Yes, for the cooling is for the protect the load set for it. So we can remind the customer this point when the customer running the machine. Okay, those is the forming session, and then is the welding session. You can see the load set of the welding load set is different with other load set because this welding load set is the SKD11 material. SKD11 material can work very well in hot temperature. You know, when the machine running here, the temperature is very high. So we suggest customer use the SKD11 material in welding load set. Okay, and then here is the logo. Forsan YSH is our brand. Because this machine is for export, so we mention in English. This the power up and the water pump and the main motor on and the grinding 1, grinding 2, grinding 3. Yeah. So this is the panel, control panel. And just I say, our machine with the inverter. The inverter is back side. Okay, after the welding session is the grinding session. We have 3 unit grinder. One, the grinding direction is by this way. And the second grinder is by grinding by this direction. And the last grinder is for this direction. So our grinding is in the 3 direction. In this way, you can see the welding seam is very smooth. Okay, after the grinding session is the sanding session. For sanding session, as I say, here is the 3 pieces horizontal stem. 1 horizontal with the 1 vertical stem. 1 horizontal with the 1 vertical stem. And we also put the water system here for cooling the load set. In this way, can protect the load set. Our load set, the use life can be the 8 years, 10 years, 15 years. And this machine we use the industrial gearbox. WPSA 90 model is very strong model.
Wow. Yes. This is to test.
Yeah, here we put the two key head here. This is the square pie. So we need to put the two key head here to make the four sides is perfect square. If you produce the round pie, then one piece is two key head is enough. And you can see here we make this is close the low set to get the good precision. Okay, just I introduced the one model in the forming session. Inside session also same. Here is the main model and with the one reduction gearbox, also with the one inverter. They are the work together. This motor also the 11 kilowatt Siemens brand. You know Siemens is the famous brand. So whatever we export to which country, like the India, Bangladesh, Egypt, South Africa, also can get the after sales service. So if the motor have any problem, we also can provide the very fast service. But our motor is not easy to broken. Some customer you use the 10 years, 8 years, but also no any problem. So that's why we choose the Siemens motor. Okay, after the science session, this is the metal saw cutter. This one is the metal saw cutter. And here we can mention how many pieces will be cut. Yeah, here will in the total to calculate. No need the person to calculate one by one. The machine will be automatically counted. Okay. For this machine, is the metal saw cutter.
Yeah.
And for end of the pie, after cutting, you can see end of the pie I can touch here because here is very smooth, no burr.
Wow.
Yeah, you can see this is the floaty side. The outside is the square, inside also the square. Okay.
Oh yeah, metal. You see, this is very burr in the end of the pie.
Yes. Here some burr. This is cutting by the abrasive cutter.
What's the difference between the metal saw cutter and the abrasive cutter?
Yeah. The main difference is the end of the pipe. If the abrasive cutter with the burr, some burr end of the pipe. If use the metal saw cutter, it's very smooth, no burr here. And for the stainless steel, many customers choose the metal saw cutter. If for the carbon steel, many customers will choose the abrasive cutter. You know, the metal saw cutter, the cost is higher than the abrasive cutter. So customer can choose. You need the abrasive cutter or you need the abrasive cutter. Okay. This is the cutter, and then will be the run out of table here because our workshop space is limited, so we don't put the run out of table here.
Wow, yeah. Yes, 10 years before, so many factories in China like to use the abrasive cutter, but now more and more customers will choose our metal saw cutter, as you see. Yeah.
Yes. About the abrasive metal saw cutter, also have some model AC315, AC330. This one is the AC355. This is the bigger size for the big size. Okay, that's all the testing 2 meal induction. If you have any question or any query, you can send the inquiry to us. Click the link. Send the inquiry to us. Yeah, we are waiting for you.
Yes. Please, guys, please remember, we are from YSX.
Yes.
2 meal and multiple limited.
Yes, our main product is the 2 meal pie making machine and the low set. If you have any query or any inquiry, please contact us.